All right, another major update are the workshops. We, some of you know, we switched a lot of our material, like patient education to a workshop, the personal injury attorney educational sales to a workshop, even the marketing, how to do educational sales to a workshop. And the workshops is when you're active. Those work well. Tremendous success. With the doctors that attend the workshops, we have tremendous success. Those are staying the same. So we're keeping those. Those are great. The only difference is it's going to be client-based driven. So what I'll do is I'll just say, here's the workshops. What workshop do you? I'll just put out kind of just a survey. I'll go, what workshop, and I'll list them all. What workshop do most people want next? And whatever people say next, that's the one we'll do. And then the one after that, the second one that's a 9, that's the one we'll do next. That's how we'll do it. And it's also based on volume. So if we get a few people that want to do it, we'll do it more often. But if I send out a survey and nobody's interested in taking a workshop, we just won't do it. We'll just wait until there's a few people that that want to do it. So that's how that's going to work. So we'll just send out, or if you want a workshop, you say, hey, I want a workshop, then what I'll do is I'll just survey everybody and say, hey, we're looking at doing this workshop, who else is interested? And then depending on who else is interested is where we would do it. If it's more people on the West Coast, we'll go to the West Coast and do it. If it's more in the Midwest, we'll do it in the Midwest. So that's going to kind of be survey based. But they're working exceptionally well. The workshops, and man, we've had some tremendous, again, patient education, educational sales, personal injury attorney, educational sales, off the charts. And remember, I always say, those are the 3 most significant marketing things you can know. Patient education, how to keep patients. Number 2, educational sales, know how to get new patients. And number 3, personal injury attorney, educational sales. Those are easily the top 3. If you only learn those and you only did that, you will now need to know how to hire, train, and manage associate doctors. That is what creates a massive amount of business, is when you have the knowledge and skill in those 3 categories. So the workshops are staying. They are doing really well. But we're going to put a little twist to them. We'll put the survey out, who has an interest, how many have an interest, where you're located, and that's how we'll determine which one to do first, second, and third, and where. There you are.